गुड इवनिंग माय फेसबुक फ्रेंड्स। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब लोग अपने अपने घरों में सुरक्षित हैं। स्टे एट होम, स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ। So this is my first Facebook live session. I'm super excited, and at the same time I'm little nervous also because I'm just not used to talking to a camera. Because I've been conducting so many sessions. In fact, आपने तो देखा ही होगा, every week I'm like conducting sessions in some or the other school or different places. And suddenly after this lockdown we are all here, and तभी जब भी मैं sessions conduct करती थी तभी बहुत से पेरेंट्स मुझे बोलते थे कि why don't you create your videos, that will be really helpful. And I used to just ignore. I said नहीं 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 नहीं, videos वगैरह नहीं. I want to see the audience. I want to see in their faces, their live faces and their happy faces. But see, आज ये lockdown की वजह से now I am learning new skill. I'm trying to talk to a camera now. Guys, I just can't see you, but I'm sure you're all there. Yeah, I can see people coming in saying hi. So, hello everyone, and a very good evening to all of you. So, before I start my session, because today's topic is very interesting, it's all about happiness. I'm sure we all are, following somebody or the other. We all follow spiritual gurus, and we try to get that happiness because that is the ultimate aim of every human being. We are doing everything for creating or getting that happiness, right from our birth to like till the death. We are in search of happiness, but it's very difficult to get, they find happiness, and that too permanent happiness. So definitely we will be like having discussion on this particular topic today. But before that, since I can see all of you over here, I would also like to talk about little bit about Parisarasha, because since I'm sure that you all are Parisarasha friends too. But and we have been super active on social media, that is especially on Facebook, and every day there are so many posts coming from Parisarasha, and people are sending me messages. You guys are doing amazing work, so thank you so much for that. But at the same time, they also ask me कि but exactly आप लोग करते क्या हो? Because they see us in almost in every field, and they are really clueless कि ये exactly ये लोग करते क्या है. In fact, one of the time, I mean, I remember my daughter has been, like getting so annoyed. She's like, कि कभी भी मैंने मेरा फेसबुक खोला तो I can see only your post over there. And in fact, not only on her wall, but I am also seen on her friends' wall where they are my common friends. So sorry for having so many posts on every day, but yeah, we are doing so much of work also. So that's the only way we can communicate and we can reach out to people, not for anything else. Because see, on social media there are so many posts coming in, like there's a lot of negativity happening everywhere. So at least there's some, like some good work is happening. Definitely I think it's a right platform to showcase, and also inspire others to do something good for the society. So this is Parisar Asha. Since people are not really aware of, like what we are doing, let me just tell you in a nutshell. Uh, we have been working in this education field for past 37 years. Basically, Parisar Asha. Parisar ka matlab hai environment, and Asha is hope. So it's not only about your physical environment, but it's all about your social environment, it's your spiritual environment, it's your emotional environment, it's your academic environment. Today, the kind of person you are is because the kind of environment you have got. इट्स वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं देना चाहूंगी इसका, तो अगर आप घर पे जो भाषा बोलते हैं, we all speak different languages. I mean, India is such a rich in this culture कि हर एक घर पे अलग अलग भाषा बोली जाती है. ये भाषा आपको आपके माँ बाप ने कभी भी मारपीट करके सिखाई नहीं, कभी जोर जबरदस्ती करके सिखाई नहीं, अपने आप आ गई. सो द एनवायरमेंट प्ले सो इम्पोर्टेंट रोल कि बिना जाने समझे हम लोग बहुत सी चीजें सीख जाते हैं. एंड Exactly this philosophy we are using for past 37 years. In fact, this organization was started by one of the teacher, Gloria D'Souza, who was very unhappy with the present education system, कि जिसमें सिर्फ रोड लर्निंग के ऊपर ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जाता था. Unfortunately, अभी भी we are still following that, but definitely there are changes certainly. But we were the pioneers in actually bringing in ESOL philosophy, that is environmental studies approach towards learning, and schools, they know us, they really appreciate our worksheets. So you ask any school, they know, yeah, it's Parisar Asha worksheet. So we are the pioneers in worksheet designing. Parisar Asha has been there for 37 years, and it's not just about worksheet designing, but we create the entire system of education based on state board syllabus at par with international standards. So we help teachers. I'm sure you have seen us going to different places. We go to the schools, we reach out to the schools, and especially we work with middle class and lower middle class schools, because if you have money, you can buy really quality education. But our 80% of aam janta goes to the like these kind of schools, jahan pe we really have to work very closely to upgrade them in not only knowledge but skills, and very important is attitude and values. So when we were working with schools, we also realized कि ये स्कूल में तो बच्चा सिर्फ 5-6 घंटे के लिए है, उसके बाद में क्या, वो पूरा दिन उसका जो है वो घर पे बिताता है, तो उसके घर का जो एनवायरनमेंट है दैट ऑल्सो मैटर्स द मोस्ट. सो ये घर के एनवायरनमेंट के तक हम लोग कैसे पहुंचे, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर, अगर I can see, I mean, we have so many teachers who are our Parisar Asha friends. So all these teachers, they will agree with me that whatever they are teaching, they are, like when they go back, the children, when they go back to their home environment, uske upar pura pani fir jata hai, because the kind of support they are expecting from the home environment, most of the times it's not possible to get from the parents because of different reasons. Parents are also clueless today ki how to raise the today's kids, because today we don't have that फैमिली सिस्टम, लाइक जहाँ पे आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी हुआ करते थे. इट्स अ जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम बहुत कम है आज. हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों, both of them, they are working, they are struggling hard, and like, so in this scenario we realize we also need to reach out to the parents, and those parents who are coming from really underprivileged background, or like middle class, lower middle class, who will not be able to take help of any professional counselors. So that's where we started with this positive parenting and child helpline, and we were very fortunate that Capgemini came to support our helpline. So thank you, Capgemini, for supporting us so that we are able to reach out to so many people today. In fact, I think in past 2-3 years we have reached out to more than lakh of like families, where we have provided free counseling, and like we have been conducting this free parenting sessions, where we are actually helping parents to how they can work with children at home, and they can create a very good happy environment, because that happy is really a phrase which is missing in our life today. So that's where we come from, and then now I'm really happy to inform you that in this COVID outbreak, we are able to extend our positive parenting helpline to this COVID, affected areas and affected people also. And we are getting many phone calls on this helpline, where people are clueless कि मतलब there is a lot of fear, anxiety, depression कि करे तो क्या करे, हम लोग तो घर पे, we are stuck at home, we don't know what's going to happen with our job, and if there are senior citizens, they have their own different issues, they can't go out, nobody can go out. In fact, parents are clueless कि अभी बच्चे को कैसे संभाला जाए. So of course I can see a lot of like other organizations, individuals are taking initiatives, and they are doing their best. And I'm really glad to say over here that we are also working with another organization, and we are reaching out to more than 1 lakh farmers from like Palghar district, and also from Wadley area, where like it's a complete lockdown. It's like they have actually sealed the area, where people are under depression because there's so much of anxiety, and that they're scared basically. And plus we are also going to work with migrant laborers, so our numbers have been flash up, helpline numbers have been like given to all these people, and we are working with them on their mental health. And coming back to this particular session today, like, and why I am here, because though we have so many counselors and like our doctors on board, but my friends and my families who knew me like for so many years, and like they have seen me, they have seen my transformation. In fact, my team over here, they were after me, why don't you conduct a session on happiness? Because many people, they ask me, I mean, I can see all my friends who are online now, they will agree with me, and in fact they have been asking me, why don't like you need to actually write a book on your life. So okay, I'm not so great, or like nothing has happened. I keep on telling them ki don't worry, I'm still waiting for more chapters to add into my story. But till that time, yeah, even I thought ki why not, because when people ask me ki how can you remain so calm and composed and happy in any kind of situation. So I was also thinking, ki, yeah, I think that is very important thing in life, and especially when doctors are saying ki take care of your health, because this COVID, you have to really like increase your immunity, your immune system. And your immune system, any doctor will agree to me that if you have to really have a good health, good physical health, you also have to have a good mental health too. And mental health and happiness goes hand in hand. If you are happy, you have a very good mental health, and if you are having a good mental health, means you are very happy person. So let's find out. I mean, yeah, from childhood, as I was discussing, like we have been in search of happiness. We feel ki okay, if I get married, I'll become happy. If I get job, I will be happy. Like if I have kids, I'll be happy. But then that happiness is very temporary. Like every time, once we get that thing, and then again like suddenly some circumstances changes, some situations comes, or people see the happiness. More than happiness, there will be, क्या बोलते हैं ना उसको, हजारों आपको रीजंस मिलेंगे अनहैप्पीनेस की. तो हैप्पीनेस का रीजन क्या हो सकता है? So I would like to ask the questions to all my people, where I can see all these people over here. Uh, because see, as Parisar Asha, I am not a speaker. I mean, I can never talk for hours and hours one way. I need interaction. I cannot go, like just go stand, take a mic, and okay, just finish my speech and come back. No, I need to have that interaction. I need to know whether you have understood. You can also, because there's so much learning happening even for me myself. So let's like quickly I will ask you one question ki, okay, we know there will be thousands of reasons for not being happy, but what will be the reason आपके लिए, आपके जीवन में कौन सा एक रीजन है जो आपको खुशी देता है? Can you quickly type and show me? I mean, you can just text me. And meanwhile, I'll share one story, which is, see, now today I'm going to talk everything about my experiences, because as I told you, people are telling me ki, okay, why don't you speak on happiness, because you have gone through so much. I mean, yeah, I can tell you at one particular point, whoever have witnessed my life in past, they will tell, like there was a complete darkness. There was nothing. I could never see anything. I thought that's the end of my life. Yeah, but today I'm here. I'm not only helping myself, my family, my Parisarasha team, my Parisarasha organization, but at the same time, I'm so lucky. I'm the few, like amongst those lucky ones, where I could actually reach out to so many, lakhs and millions of people, and trying to help them, trying to, like touch their lives. So I'm really grateful for that. But at the same time, when I was conducting this, yeah, when I dance, okay, Bhagyashri, she's saying ki, she feels happy when she is dancing with my children. Very good. Anjali saying my family. Okay, there are so many teaching. Somebody is teacher. Okay, so there's somebody. Okay, Bhakti is saying ki I don't expect anything from anyone. You will be the happiest person on the earth. Very good, Bhakti. I'll be coming to that. But at the same time, I want to share this particular incident. In fact, whenever I conduct this parenting sessions, because I truly believe if you want to have a good individual, good citizen of tomorrow, you need to be a very good, happy individual first. So, as a child, I mean, when our children, we have so much of expectations. We want to put them in the best school, best possible things. Ye class, wo class, ye dress, wo dress. But we are not actually providing attention ki am I like giving my inputs in how to bring up that child as a happy individual. So whenever I ask parents this question, and this is my standardized questions whenever I ask, like whenever I go to any particular session, whether it is any, social, economical strata or religious, school, but and any age group of parents. So what happens is, like out of those 300, 400 parents, hardly 2, 3 or 4 hands will, they will raise their hands when I ask them कि आप लोगों में से कितने लोग खुश हैं. And it's quite scary, like because I have been every week मैं almost एक दो sessions तो करती ही थी. तो उसमें imagine if I am interacting with at least say randomly 500 people every week, तो उसमें से सिर्फ 3-4 लोग ही आज खुश है. So either there is understanding or misunderstanding about happiness, or they are really not happy. They don't know how to be happy. So I thought, let's, okay, there was one more thing. When I asked them, then I asked them, okay, now tell me the reasons. आपको कब लगता है कि आप खुश है? तो जैसे अभी आप लोग लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि whenever, okay, when I am at the sea, happiness is the mindset. Okay, people are writing. I'm really happy that it's becoming very interactive session. Few of the mothers, they said, yeah, whenever we are with our children, we are very happy. Then in fact, yeah, mothers were only more talkative. Usually, I mean, I have seen that. I'm not gender biased. I'm not, like these are all my personal experiences whenever I conduct sessions. You may have difference of opinion, so but then these are absolutely my own personal experiences. So what happened is, one gentleman, not one, I think few of them, especially when men, like when they talk about their happiness, so they were saying, हाँ, जब भी मुझे प्रमोशन मिलता है, जॉब में कुछ अच्छा होता है, when I get a better job or better salary, or like वो एक 2-3 लोगों ने तो मुझे बोला, नहीं मैडम, हमारा तो हैप्पीनेस कब आता है ना, कब खुशी मिलती है, जब शाम को हम लोग फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक 2-4 पैग लगा लेते हैं ना, तभी वो खुशी मिलती है. So I mean, I was really like we were laughing, but then yeah, it's a genuine statement, because but unfortunately, guys, whoever guys and girls today, you know that अगर आपके पास अभी स्टॉक हो रहेगा तो ही आप हैप्पी हो सकते हो, बिकॉज 3rd of May तक कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. So if you come back to my name of this session, the art of creating instant happiness. So everybody knows how to create your instant happiness. Like I can see, like when I'm with kids, when I'm with at the sea, or when I'm with my family. So these are all your goals, like when you want to be happy. Okay, somebody smokes, somebody drinks, unfortunately they take up these wrong paths, like to get into happiness. So many of them, when you're depressed, they keep on eating, they'll eat chocolates, they'll eat something, and it's not healthy. So at this, like when you are in search, so that's where I have written the art of creating instant happiness. So how do you create instant? See, zindagi mein there's nothing instant, you have to work for that. कुछ भी यहाँ पे इतना सिंपल लाइफ में नहीं होता है. आपके पास अगर इंस्टेंट कॉफी भी मिलती है आपको, या इंस्टेंट नूडल्स भी मिलते हैं, तो उसका जो प्रोसेस है उसको बनाने के लिए इट हैज बीन अ रियली लॉन्गर प्रोसेस. जब तक आपके हाथ में आता है तभी वो इंस्टेंट होता है, बट इट इज नॉट इंस्टेंट. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ process behind that. So please understand, if you want to create instant happiness, you need to get prepared for that. So now let me tell you very frankly, I'm not a spiritual guru. Definitely, like there are a lot of techniques of meditation, like how do we create this happiness? There will be n number of things, n number of people debating, discussing, give directions. But many of the time when the people they call us on a helpline, or the clients they come to us, and we tell them ki please meditate so that you will feel relaxed, aapko thoda sa acha lagega. If you're in depression, or if you have that anxiety, or if you have hate, like there are so many emotions basically. And सबसे important जो emotion रहता है, that is the happiness. Because I feel इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे जो प्री स्कूल टीचर्स अगर आप लोग देख रहे हैं, यू विल अग्री टू मी, आपके क्लास में अगर एक बच्चा रोता है, प्री स्कूल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, तो वो रोता है, एक बच्चा रोने लगा तो पूरी जो सारे का सारा क्लासरूम रोने लगता है। अगर एक बच्चा हंसता है तो पूरा सारा क्लासरूम हंसता है। देयर इज नो रीजन। सो सिमिलरली आर इमोशंस आर so highly contagious, they are more contagious than the virus. So if you want to create a happy environment, which is very very important, see अगर हमारे घर का environment ही happy नहीं है, तो how can we expect हमारे society का environment happy रहेगा? We will always have fights, we will always see, fights are important, I'm not saying you should have discussion, you should have debate, you should have difference of opinion, but at the same time it should not get into hate, it should not get into that level कि जहाँ पे आप एक दूसरे की शक्ल नहीं देख रहे, आप एक दूसरे के लिए कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, मतलब like you are ready to kill each other. So that's where like we need to actually work on our different areas, different skill set. We have to actually work on the mind, like so यहाँ पे you may find different ways and means to work on your mind. uh, Most of the times, like we always advise people ki you have to do meditation. So this is today I'm not going to talk about meditation at all, because you can find your own ways and means of doing meditation. In fact, बहुत बार लोग हमें बोलते हैं कि meditation में आप बोलते हो, but when I sit for meditation मेरा तो कुछ दिमाग नहीं चलता, I cannot concentrate. And that's true. Many of you will actually agree with me कि meditation बोलते हैं, but for that minute, for that time, we are trying to focus on our mind. But what happens when you go back to your own circumstances? Because let's see, only two things can make you unhappy according to you, that is people and your situations, right? But all these situations and people, and I'm sure if you are following any spiritual path, they will always say ki it should not affect you. So how do we reach to that level when nothing affects us? So I have created my own fundas, like in fact my own recipe for happiness, and I'm going to share that recipe. And I will say it is different for different people, because as I said कि हर एक का happiness का फंडा अलग है, हर एक की चॉइस अलग है, हर एक का जो सोशल एनवायरनमेंट है वो अलग है. So but then definitely you can pick up few things from there which may be like of your help. Because see, it took me almost a year's time to work on myself, because even I had a lot of issues, my own personal issues, my own like my psychological issues. Every person has that, right? But when you decide, and I realized, I said no, it is my choice, it's my choice to be happy. And when I decided decision is mine to be happy, I started working on that. So it's not that like only you have to take decision, but you have to start working towards that, and it's a process. It's not overnight thing, and you have to keep on doing. It is not that okay, एक साल कर लिया अभी तो मैं पूरे life के लिए happy हूँ, नहीं. But I can tell you, like out of say 30 days of the month, 29 days I'm perfectly happy. Maybe one day अगर situation कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई, थोड़े टाइम के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है, but again I'm back to like normal life. In fact, I'm so happy that I would like to also quote my daughter over here, because finally, when we work with children, we are always talk about bringing up, the right way, like because Parisrasha believes in right to right education. When government says right to education, we say right to right education. So as a parent, whatever education we are giving, I'm really happy and so blessed that I can share one incident. Of course, I have taken my daughter's permission to share this incident. She is doing her final year of engineering. This is the fourth year, and finals, like her finals are and in fact, she for past 4 years was her dream that she wants to work. I mean, not work. She wants to actually do masters in her whatever her specialization subject is in some foreign country. Like where maybe UK, Germany. So for 4 years, this girl has been really struggling hard, working hard, studying hard, and now I'm so happy. Wherever she applied, she got through. Like she got admission from UK. Almost 5 colleges have given her admission, all best colleges. Like all top 20 colleges have given her admission. But just see the situation now. Now she doesn't know whether she can go because UK is completely locked down. They are not aware कि अभी उनके final exam का क्या होने वाला है. So as a mother, I was really worried, and I asked her. I said कि you are not getting worried. तुझे टेंशन नहीं हो रहा? तो बोलते मैं क्यों टेंशन लूं? तो ऐसे क्यों? जो दूसरों का होगा वो मेरा होगा. तो why should I take tension? And she's quite cool in that way. She's like, don't worry, अगर नहीं होता है ये साल, if it is not opening, because see situation may not be same right now because of the social distancing, emotional, and of course that word is very wrong, social distancing. But yeah, now it is mandatory. Like you have to have physical distancing on a regular basis. We don't know what will be the situation of colleges and schools and whatever it is. So there is completely a big question mark. So at this moment, when all these children, when they are in the final years, and their entire future is depending on that, and she's so cool. She's like, don't worry, maximum kya hoga? I will be here for one more year. I will go later. There's no harm. So I just wanted to share this. Why? Because the kind of environment she got at home. Today she could take that decision to be happy in any situation. And I'm really happy that anywhere she will go in the world, she will be always a happy individual. But unfortunately, being parent, like I've seen so many parents, they are only worried about their marks, their grades. They're so competitive, and they're just not bothered about their child's mental health. And these cases, they come to us where the child is completely broken over there. So please, parents, if you're a parent, don't do that. And okay, now let me share what I'm supposed to share with you. And I being you know Parisar Asha person, I thought, okay, let me just make it a little more interesting so that you guys can also enjoy the session. And we being teachers, we always use certain props, we always use certain, things for activities. So first, this is something what you have to start doing. I hope you can all see this. Yes. So this is something which you have to start working on, which is accept your life as it is. You have to accept your people, your situations, your positions, anything, your house, your husband, your wife, everybody. Start accepting. See, if you want to bring a change in your life, first you have to start accepting. We get so many parents coming to us, like who are just denying. If their child has certain problems, they just deny. नहीं नहीं, मेरे बच्चे में तो कोई problem नहीं है, घर पे तो सब ठीक होता है. I'm sure so many teachers will actually argue me on this particular point. They are just not ready to accept. But we all expect. We expect so many things from life. And जब ये नहीं मिलता है तो क्या होता है? We get into depression. We are unhappy. And that unhappiness comes out on our children. Because I've seen parents, when they are unhappy, दे आर सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, दे डोंट नो अभी क्या करे. तो घर पे आके पूरा उनका सब गुस्सा है वो बीवी पे, बच्चे पे, अगर बीवी है तो हस्बैंड पे, बच्चे पे, घर पे अगर कोई है दूसरे, वॉट एवर योर फ्रस्ट्रेशन, वॉट एवर यू आर नॉट गेटिंग, what happens is you are actually getting frustrated because you have so many wishes. हर एक की विश होती है कि आई शुड गेट अ शाहरुख खान, बट शाहरुख खान तो गौरी खान के पास है, आपको कैसे मिलेगा? सो आई मीन जोक्स अपार्ट, बट सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे वो अलादीन का चिराग मिल जाए तो मैं बस उसको रब कर लूं और कुछ तो विश, मतलब मेरी सारी विशेष, मेरी सारी मुरादें पूरी हो जाए. आई ऑल्सो हैव सी दिस, कैन यू सी? आई ऑल्सो ट्राइड, बहुत रब किया बट कुछ नहीं निकला अंदर से. बट देन आई रियलाइज, होता है, जीनी होता है. अगर आप सोचो, दिस इज योर माइंड एंड इनसाइड इज योर हैप्पीनेस. If you rub, if you fine tune your mind, then definitely you will able to create your happiness. You will get what you want. I'm not talking about the materialistic things. See, because okay, आज आपको बंगला मिल गया. After certain time, you may not have that kind of excitement about that particular thing because आपके पास वो आ चुका है. Then you want something more. So ये desires तो never ending है, but you need to have desires to live. So keep on doing, but don't get disappointed जब आपको नहीं मिलते हैं. So this is something, accept and do not expect too much. I think today our children are really going through hell because parents expect too much from them. So, and see, I'm talking about all true cases because we are dealing with all these children. We are dealing with schools. We share, you know, like all our teachers there, they went out, whatever, you know, like they have to say. So another thing is, and especially this is very important in today's time when we are all stuck in the house. There's so much of fear outside. So you have to first, can you see? Face your fears. ये जो अनहैप्पीनेस हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं, ये अनहैप्पीनेस क्यों होता है? बिकॉज सी देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इमोशंस. तो ये जो फियर है, फियर फैक्टर, दैट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स यू लॉट ऑफ यू नो unsettlement. You are continuously under fear. So that's where, you know, like I always tell our people, I mean whoever comes to me, I always tell them that फेस योर फियर्स. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसे ऐसे होगा, बाप रे अगर मेरी हेल्थ खराब हो गई तो शायद ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा, राइट इट डाउन. व्हाट वर्स्ट कैन हैपन? क्या होगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा मर जाओगे, उसके बाद में क्या होगा? देयर इज नथिंग व्हाट कैन हैपन वर्स्ट. मरना है. सी, आज करोना है, कल कोई और रोना भी होगा. Either you die now or you die after some years, but you are going to die. That is the only fact. In between क्या होता है, that only keeps on changing. So why do worry जब आपको पता है that is the ultimate satya? Don't stop worrying and, you know, spend your every day, every minute, so that, you know, you should not feel very bad when you are on your deathbed कि अरे यार ये तो करना रह गया, अरे मैंने पूरी जिंदगी तो ऐसे ही रोते रोते बिताई. So please don't do that. And see, that's what I started doing. I said, okay, what happens? कितना, मतलब when we have that, if there is any problem during, you know, like in our particular uh, you know, professional front. So my team and me, if we sit together, then we all, you know, like actually counsel each other. ठीक है, worst क्या होगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, नहीं होगा ये, ठीक है, we'll find some other way. So once you face the fear, you have that power to actually work on that, you know, like, so your plan B starts getting ready. Your plan C starts getting ready. अगर A नहीं चलता है तो B चलेगा, B नहीं चलता है तो C चलेगा. अरे अब अंग्रेजी अल्फाबेट में A to Z तक के लेटर्स है, अगर वो काम करते हैं तो यू कैन टेक समथिंग फ्रॉम मराठी, हिंदी, गुजराती, सब लेटर्स ले लो आप. बट डोंट स्पॉइल योर टुडे, दैट दिस मूवमेंट, you know, movement of today. And if you still feel ki no, I mean definitely after, you know, like facing the fear, I have done this exercise, but still, you know, like I need to vent out. So you need to talk. So talking is very, very important. You need to talk. You need to have friends. You can talk to your parents. You can talk to your spouse. You can talk to your kids. That communication needs to be there because that's the way you can vent out. And if you feel you don't have anybody to talk to where you can feel comfortable, or कैसे मैं बात करूं? अगर मेरे सारे सीक्रेट्स उसको समझ में आ गए तो कल अगर वो मुझे ब्लैकमेल करने लगेगा, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, वी आर देयर. सो माय टीम इज गोइंग टू फ्लैश दोस आर हेल्पलाइन नंबर्स. प्लीज टॉक टू अस. I'm sure I will, we guarantee that it is going to be very, very confidential. We never disclose any case to anybody. So please feel free. If you have any kind of issues, please feel free. And especially during this COVID time, you don't believe, I mean, I used to get calls from, I remember there was a call from Satara. I used to get this call every evening. On that time, we never had toll free number. That time, we had this particular number, where like I used to get evening में 6 साढ़े 6 बजे एक call आता था एक lady का, and she had certain issues with her child. So I used to counsel her, and then she started calling me almost every day. I said, "Ki ma'am, I think you can call me after a week because you have to go through." She said, "No, ma'am, I like to talk to you." क्योंकि मेरे घर पे जॉइंट फैमिली है, बट देर इज नो बडी हु कैन लिसन टू मी, सो आई नीड टू टॉक टू समबडी. So I'm sure we all have people today. You have so many virtual friends. I mean, we are all on Facebook. We are completely always on the WhatsApp and everything. एक दो सेकंड हो गए कि हम लोग अपने फोन देखने लगते हैं. But at the same time, I don't think we have, that real friend. So if you don't become a real friend to somebody, how do you expect that, somebody else will become also your real friend? So get genuine friends, because they will only, like be there for you. And you have to develop relationships, not just on the social media. Talk to your people. See, this is the right time when your entire family is there under one roof. Just talk to your people, sort out your issues, sort out your whatever inhibitions. This is the right time to do that, because otherwise हम लोग को पता नहीं वापस में जिंदगी में time मिले ना मिले, because all these years we have been so much running around. So this is the time when everything has come to standstill. In fact, I would like to also share, we also had these two competitions for all of you who are stuck at home. If you have not yet filled your I mean, you have sent your applications or your stories, we have these two competition. One is storytelling and poetry recitation, and another is drawing competition, your art competition. So please go to our Parisarasha's website and know more, get to know more about that. And our last date is next Saturday, so don't miss that opportunity to showcase your talent. And the age is no bar. You can, anybody can participate in that. So coming to talk, okay, I would like to ask all the audience one question. आप सबसे ज्यादा किसके साथ बात करते हैं? Come on, quickly, you can just text me on this text box. आप सबसे ज्यादा किससे बात करते हैं? Think, and you can type in that. Okay, I'm waiting for answers. सबसे ज्यादा हम किससे बात करते हैं? I think people are just thinking कि अभी किसके साथ हम लोग बात करते हैं. Okay, my children, you said. Almost everybody is talking to children. Yeah. Okay, myself. Yes, Sapna, I think you're perfectly, I mean, you're so right. We talk maximum with ourselves. It is the self-talk. आप दूसरों को छोड़ दीजिए, आप खुद के साथ क्या बात करते हैं? Because continuously our mind keeps on working. Continuously there are some thoughts happening. I mean, you are watching me अभी live, but at the same time आपके मन में कुछ ना कुछ चलता होगा. You are talking to yourself. You are saying, some of you will say, हाँ, it makes sense. Yeah. Some of them say क्या पका रही है? Some of them will say नहीं नहीं अभी छोड़ो, अभी I'll leave this. I have to do cooking. I have to do something else. So there is something continuously going on in our minds. So please understand what you talk to yourself, because that will depend on your happiness. Because मैंने जैसे आपको वो जिनी का एग्जाम्पल दिया था, जो अलादीन का चिराग, कि वो माइंड है और उसके अंदर जो हैप्पीनेस है और उसके अंदर जो हम लोग द काइंड ऑफ ऑर्डर्स वी आर गिविंग टू अवर माइंड. क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका, जब वो जीनी बोलता है, तो ये जो माइंड है आपको पूछेगा कि क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका. एंड यू आर गिविंग दोस काइंड ऑफ लाइक इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू योर माइंड. most of the times I know people, they do not talk good about themselves to themselves. So you have to observe your thoughts very very uh, carefully, what you talk to yourself. See, you have to be very careful what you talk to others, definitely, otherwise झगड़ा हो जाएगा. बट ये झगड़ा आप खुद के साथ मत कीजिए. You have to be very very particular, the kind of words, the kind of frames, the kind of affirmations you use to talk to yourself. So that will actually work, and I can tell you with my experience, and not only my experience, whenever I give I mean these kind of tips to the parents, because mostly parents, they come to me, they come to meet me also later, because they tell me ki ma'am, whatever tips you had given, we are trying to work on that and we are really getting wonderful results. And it's so much fulfilling and satisfying to me when parents, they come to me and they tell me, ma'am, this is really wonderful, it's working. So that's how I'm here to share all my tips. So उसमें से आपको जितना आप ले सकते हो, definitely you can take it. Okay, then very important thing is be positive. Okay, now this is little scary in corona times, because be positive, you should not be positive for corona, but for rest of all other things. So stop negativity. Negative should be only a corona test, not anything else. But because uh, you find there's so much of negativity around you, so cut off your negativity from your life. Cut off negativity from the social media. I have blocked so many people. I hope people will not block you. So don't post such things, which is creating so much of negativity in the society. You have to be very careful. Spread only positivity. अगर आप खुद से positive, see, hatred and all these emotions कुछ काम के नहीं है. You don't know how much time you have on this planet. Why do you we want to waste that in so much of hatred, so much of negativity? Let's cut off all the negativity from our life and be positive. Try to be positive. See, analyze your thoughts. Do you know what is the difference between positive and negative? When you feel happy, when you have those good feelings, those thoughts are positive. And when you feel that uncomfortable, restlessness, fear, anxiety, little depression, aggression, you feel very angry or hate, those are negative emotions. So observe your mind, and you have to really work on your mind. See, mind is monkey. You have to control your mind. When you start controlling, then only all these other things will start working for you. So be positive. Always have attitude of gratitude. See, we usually do not say thank you, have you ever said thank you to your children? Have you ever said thank you to your parents? Have you ever said thank you to the air, what you're breathing for free of cost? Have you ever said thank you to the bed, on the to the bed where you're sleeping? Have you ever said thank you to your mates? I'm sure today, like once your mates are coming back, you are going to say thank you, because we have really missed them a lot. But see, there are so many things in our environment. And see, why I'm talking to you, why I'm telling you all these things, when you are dealing with children, please try to also inculcate these kind of attitudes and values in your children. Because children, they know, paisa diya to sab aata hai. Like when you pay that maid, we feel ki, okay, we have bought her. So many times teachers tell me कि मैम, पेरेंट्स फील कि फीस दे रहे हैं ना स्कूल की, तो हमने खरीद लिया है टीचर को. Teachers will definitely agree to me. So parents, you are not buying anything. You cannot buy anything. It is, we have to be really grateful, thankful, and very important thing, you should be very thankful to your life, because that's the best thing. And if you feel कि अगर आप डिप्रेस हो, बहुत उदास हो, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गया है जिंदगी में, sit down that night quietly and list down all your blessings, and you will actually feel कि yeah, problems are really really temporary. आज पानी नहीं है, कल कुछ होगा, आज कोरोना है और कुछ होगा, but your blessings will be always more, because your biggest blessing is still your breathing. You are still alive. That is your biggest blessing. So keep that attitude of gratitude. That will solve your majority of problems. This is very important thing is ignore. Ignore a lot of things in life that will make you really happy. They say na ignorance is a bliss. You see, many times we get so bogged down, we get so angry, we get so the thing. I hate my boss. I hate this. I hate that. He is not the right person, and he always tries to put me down. And we have so many issues, so many things. If you can't change your boss, if you can't change your job, ignore. If you need the job, ignore. Ignore is the best policy. I mean, I have been ignoring so many things in life. And see, that's where, like I feel at bliss. I don't take anything very seriously. Another thing is forgive and forget. End of the day, wherever you feel कि I have been hurt very badly, आज का दिन बहुत बुरा गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया करके, end of the day when you go to sleep, you have to forgive to whom you feel कि okay they have like hurt me, they have cheated me, इन्होंने ऐसा किया, उसने ऐसा बोला, उसने वो किया, उसने वो किया, जो कुछ भी आपको लगता है, just forgive. It's not for them to forgive, but it is for your sake, so that you are away from that, you are out of that karma, you are out of that, and forget about that, so that you have a fresh day tomorrow. You can go back to that person and always, you can be friends once again. So always forgive and forget. That is my policy, and I'm sure that really works. Most of the times, can you see this? It's let go. जो चीजें हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. There are so many things in life which happens without our knowledge, without our permission. There's some supernatural force which is working there. We plan something and something else happens, and you don't know what to do. And that time you just have to let go. There are certain incidences, there are certain things. Most of the times parents, they come to us and they say कि बच्चा नहीं छोड़ो, बड़ा हो गया है, वो अभी adult है. They are just not listening. We tried everything, then we try something, and at certain point of life, to be feel, like you should be happy, that you have to let go certain things, ignore, let go, and that will, I'll tell you, that will really give you that happiness, that joy, that you are free. Just enjoy your freedom. What happens is we get so attached to everything. हम लोग बच्चों से attach है, हम लोग पैसों से attach है, हम लोग कार से attach है, मैं job से attach हूँ. Everything, like you have to be attached, at the same time you have to be detached, because one fraction of second and you are going to leave everything over here and gone. So understand, once you start living in that awareness, everything, your life becomes so simplified that you don't get really, like worked up with any other issues. So best policy is to let go. Whatever is not yours, it will go. Whatever is yours, it will stay, but it will stay for certain time, because there is nothing permanent in life. Please mark my words, and everybody has been saying that. And once you start realizing, once you create, once you see, it's a process. It's a process of continuously talking to. It's a self talk continuously. If something goes wrong, okay, just say it's all temporary. I'll come out of it. Have that kind of thing, that kind of attitude. This is very important in life. Love. Okay, now this love is for not only for some romantic love or something. This love is for yourself. Start loving yourself, because once you start loving yourself, you can also actually, like give, because see, it's a I can say, unless and until it's there in the well, आप उसमें से कुएं में से पानी कैसे निकालोगे अगर कुएं में ही पानी नहीं है. अगर आपके पास खुद लव नहीं है, आपके पास खुद हैप्पीनेस नहीं है, आप दूसरों को क्या दे पाओगे. अगर आप दूसरों को नहीं दे पाते हो तो दूसरे आपको वापस कैसे दे पाएंगे. सो इफ यू गिव हेट्रेड, you get hatred back. If you give love, you get love back. It's a karma, it's a law of karma. Whatever you give out, it comes back to you. So to give to somebody, first you should have that. So try to create that love. Start looking at yourself in the mirror. Start loving yourself. Say always there's these phrases: I love myself, I love my children, I love. See, I have seen two types of different personalities. One is they are so obsessed with them that they are not bothered about anybody else. They are only worried about themselves. They love themselves so much. And there is another variety. They are, like completely for others. Like I'm especially talking about mothers when I interact with mothers. And especially I talk about, like these lower income group schools when I, like interact with them. In fact, we have been conducting certain medical camps with the help of WMPP, where we realize these mothers are absolutely not taking care of their health. I mean, they don't even eat properly. Of course, they don't have so much, like so many resources. So whatever is there, they are trying to give it to their children. They are absolutely, like एक पे बाहर का खाना भी नहीं खाते हैं वो लोग. They are anemic. And that's where we find so many children are having so many, like disabilities in these schools. Basically, I'm talking about underprivileged schools. So these parents, they want to give everything to their children, and they will really, like compromise everything on their health and their wishes, everything. And there is another variety. They are so selfish. They are so self-centered. They will never bother about others. मेरा हो गया ना, काम हो गया, चलो खत्म, कहानी खत्म. So, I mean, try to balance. We have to love ourselves. At the same time, make sure you are not creating problems for others. See, the happiness, why I'm talking about happiness in the environment, happiness in the family, because you may have so many instant happiness goals, like I'm sure half of you will be, and of course, all of us, if we are not, we are depressed and continuously we are on the social media, or somebody is smoking, somebody is drinking, somebody is, like getting into drug addiction. So these are their ways of creating happiness, but your happiness is actually taking toll on, so like your family members. They are so unhappy because of your happiness. So understand, it is not only you, because we don't live in isolation. We are in the family. You will be only in isolation if you are detected by corona. And I wish nobody should be in isolation anytime. So please understand, when you are with family, when you are in the society, you have to be, like also considerate. You have to be sensible and sensitive about others. So the happiness, I'm talking about the happiness goal for the entire community. I'm not talking about personalized happiness goals. So start loving yourself, start loving your environment, your people, your situations. Just feel good about it. Okay. Another thing is celebrate. See, life is to celebrate and not just to struggle, or, like just to live, or, you can survive basically. Everybody is surviving. But when you start celebrating life, that's the way you start actually, like being happy. The happiness comes from celebration. So of course, you don't need to be having your birthdays or anniversaries or anything else. Like of course today, one of my friends' anniversary is there. I would like to say, Satyendra, wish you a very very happy anniversary to you and your wife too. Of course. So the celebration. How do we do celebration? We can't just have, like throwing parties every day, but you can ask my team members. We celebrate on every stupid things, and in fact अगर कुछ नहीं मिला तो वो लोग आके मुझे बोलते हैं कुछ नहीं हुआ कितने दिनों में, कम ऑन लेट्स सेलिब्रेट. सो कुछ नहीं होता है तभी भी हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, और सेलिब्रेशन के लिए और कुछ नहीं लगता, एक चॉकलेट भी काफी हो जाता है. यू कैन हैव कैंडल लाइट डिनर टुनाइट विद योर फैमिली. भले दाल राइस हो, सब्जियां नहीं मिलती हो, बट कैंडल्स होंगे घर पे. Switch off all the lights and celebrate. When I get up in the morning, I love to dress up. In fact, I must tell you, okay, so many of your people, my friends actually, they started sending me messages. What are you going to wear for your Facebook live? I said, ask me what I'm going to speak. They said, no, no, what are you going to wear? So this is the, of course, this is my choice to, like dress up regularly, but I get so many compliments and I feel so good about it. It's a happiness, it's a happiness quotient. And people tell me that we feel good looking at you, we feel happy looking at you. So spread that happiness, celebrate every small moment of your life, celebrate life. I'm talking about celebration of life. Okay, this is something which I love. Believe in miracles. You will say, ki, what is wrong with her? She is postgraduate in science. But of course, I will tell you, I'm also postgraduate in arts. I've done masters in drawing and painting, so I have little, dreamy kind of character also. So at the same time, I'm very practical too. So, but then I do believe in miracles. Once you start believing in miracles, miracles will start happening in your life. And I'm sure I can see all Parisarasha people also over here. Sorry, I am not able to read so fast because I am also trying to talk, and we'll have certain time when you can also ask me questions if you have any questions. But I'm saying start believing in miracles, and miracles will happen in your life. And all my Parisarasha team members will agree with me. Yes, Parisarasha team members, do you agree with me? Because we have seen miracles happening from nowhere to today. It's been a miraculous journey because we all believed in miracles. So start believing in miracles, and miracles happens. Now I'm taking quickly because I'm taking a lot of time, but yeah, there's lots because happiness is not something which you can create with only one ingredient. See, nowadays I started cooking back again, so that's where I can only see ingredients, subsies, and recipes. Okay, so this is something, can you read this? It's engage, entertain, and enrich. So this is a time when you all are here in your one house, maybe it's a small house, big house, whatever it is, but you have a house. Be grateful to that. Today, so many people are without, they're homeless. So at least you have a house, you are in front of the screen. That means you have phone or you have computers. You have two time you can eat something. So this is a time when you can actually engage yourself into meaningful activities with your family. This is a time when you can actually reflect on your life. You can think, like seriously, ki, okay, what was my journey? What is my purpose? See, I'm telling you why I'm so happy, because I have found my purpose of my life. So definitely you can, find your purpose too. And when you start working on all these different lines, that time, 1 minute, huh? Okay. So that time, so there's little technical this, so I can see certain windows popping up. Okay. So this is a time when you need to reflect on yourself, because it's your me time, it's your we time. Uh, you can get into your own personal mind, your own personal life. You can decide a lot of things together as a family, what can be done later. If you have so many challenges, work it out together. If you need any kind of help and support, you can talk to us. You can engage into good writing, good reading, singing, dancing, music, everything, whatever which was not done earlier, you never had time, you can do that. Entertain yourselves, definitely. You can see Netflix, you can see, but don't see throughout the night. I mean, I can see people are posting on Facebook, and of course that happens in every house, that people are watching throughout the night. Netflix देख रहे हैं, फिर अभी क्या है, Hotstar है, and so many things. Control your time, limit your time, and engage into some meaningful activities too, which will actually enhance your life. See, I have been doing lot of courses, online now. Now I have got I'm a certified counselor. I'm a certified positive psychology counselor also. So there are so many different things, NLP and CPT. So many things are available which I am trying to enhance my knowledge, because I am now working. I'm dealing with psychology, counseling. I have to deal with counselors. So I have been okay to deal with all these areas. I need to know that. So I've been actually spending my time into so many constructive, meaningful things. So everybody can do that. There is always, if you wish, there is always a way. and enrich yourself. Life is to enrich. Don't waste your life. We get so many children coming to us because their parents, they give them everything, and these kids, they don't know what to do with their life. There's one case I always tell everyone. This 18-year-old boy, he comes to us and he wants to commit suicide. Why? Because he's like, I'm done with my life. Abhi kuch nahi hai zindagi mein karne jaisa, because I have got everything. Kuch nahi hai. So parents don't give them everything. Let them also struggle. Let them also, just tell them ki this is your life. We will be always there for you to support. But it is your life. You have to take decisions. You have to work hard for that. Okay, this is something which is my favorite, but which is not to be meant in this lockdown period. Okay, this is travel. In fact, once the lockdown was announced, I got so many calls from all over the world. All my friends are calling and asking me, "Where are you? Hope you are in the, Bombay only, or you're traveling somewhere." I said, "No, no, I'm very much locked down in Mumbai." So now travel is out of question, but you can make travel plans. Oh, you can still travel. You can travel from bedroom to bathroom, bathroom to kitchen, kitchen to hall. Do your travel. Be happy in that. But at the same time, you can also plan your travels, because see, I feel that traveling really enriches you, and it gives you all, you can create really happy memories for you and for your family too. So this is something, see, all these things can be cherished. When you are old, you don't know what to do with your life, you can go back to your old memories. And our generation is so lucky that we can digitalize so many things. We can always go back there. I don't know whether that time Facebook will be there or not. There will be some other app or something, but you can always store these kind of moments, and that you can recreate happiness. See, because happiness is something which you can create. If you can think, I usually take this particular exercise with everyone, and you can also do it with me right now. I can see so many participants online right now. You can do it, this exercise with me. You can close your eyes and think of an incident which gives you uh, very, like those happiness or that joyous moment. You can text, which is your, the happiest moment of your life. You can text your that happy moment. And after 1 minute, think of the worst moment of your life, the very painful moment of your life, and just see the feeling कि just think of that moment and see the feeling कि कैसे महसूस हो रहा है आपको. See that moment, जो आपका जो painful moment था, that moment must have been, like 3-4 साल पहले हो गया होगा, या 10 दिन पहले हो गया होगा, या 50 साल पहले हो गया. But because you are thinking, rethinking, you are again feeling that pain. So what happens is the situation happens only once, but keep on repeating that in a mind. See, that's why I'm saying mind is monkey. It's like a recorder. If you keep on giving, what kind of talks you are doing, it is very important with yourself. So please be aware of your thoughts. Another way to feel happy is to give. Give love, give money if you can, give support, give see that give, like many people, they feel अरे हमारे पास तो कुछ नहीं, हम लोग क्या देंगे. Like especially when I deal with these lower income group schools, when I like interact with them, so they always feel कि मैडम हमारे पास तो कुछ नहीं, हम लोग क्या दे सकते हैं. ऐसा ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. Every person has something or the other. If you don't have money, you will have talent. If you don't have talent, every person has some or the other talent. If you don't have anything, if you feel कि नहीं मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है देने के लिए, so you can actually give good words, you can give some confidence, you can appreciate somebody, give appreciation. And I can tell you that appreciating words can actually change someone's life. There are so many examples of that. So please keep on appreciating, give whatever is positive, give something, give love. Whatever I told you right now, start giving. And please teach your children to give. See, today our children are never taught, like our children are never taught to give. They know only to get. So when they know only to get, that's where, there is so much of disharmony in everything. they become so selfish. And if we are planning, if we are envisaging a family, I mean a society where people are happy individuals, people are, it's a sustainable world. So there we need to inculcate all these habits in our children, and especially giving. So start, and you will never have then that case of the child, or like adult, ki I'm depressed, I don't know what to do of my life, and people are committing suicide. Why they are committing suicide? Because they are expecting too much from their life, and their expectations are not getting fulfilled. But when you start getting into the mode of giving, there is always something to give, and see, you will always receive that happiness, and that happiness cannot be measured by, like any amount. Pray pray regularly, whichever religion you are, whichever way you pray. See, I am a absolutely non-religious person. I don't go to temples. I don't, like do prayers, nothing. My prayers are different. I always think about something, like positive affirmations. I pray for safety, for security, for, like of the society, and start praying for the world. Whatever, whichever way you are praying, just don't keep your prayers to yourself. Because see, we, as I told you, we live in a joint big family of world. If somebody else, if your neighbors are not happy, see, I may have lot of money, but if somebody else is not having money, he may loot me, like आपके घर पे डाका डाल के वो पैसे निकाल के जाएंगे, तो आपका, you are not safe in a society where there is so much of imbalance. So we need to help others so that they can also be happy. And if, when there is a happy environment, I don't think there will be, like lot of issues basically. So pray for the world. And this is something, of course, there will be so many others, but I'm cutting it off because it's been almost more than an hour. So I would like to, like now just come back to, like, towards the end of this. Uh, Hope. Never give up hope till the time of breathing. Maybe you are on your deathbed also, but there can be miracles happening. So please don't give up hope. So now here, I would like to dedicate one song, okay, and which is see, and one more thing I especially do when you are very depressed. Don't listen to people say you have to listen to music, but when you are depressed, when you are sad, don't listen to sad music. Listen to some nice peppy music, and that really makes you happy. I always had, like different songs for different situations in my life, which really helped me out. Um, Inspirational songs. So decide on your songs for different, like situations. And whenever you're down, whenever you're low, you can sing those songs. Okay, so now this song is particularly for this Corona time, where like there's so much of insecurity, there's so much of fear, there is, we can't go out, and we don't know what's going to happen next with all fronts. Like economy is gone for a toss. uh, our best friends, we can't meet them. We are so suspicious कि अरे बाप रे, इनका कोरोना, इसको तो कोरोना वगैरह नहीं है ना. अभी खांसने को भी डर लगता है. I mean, I have been taking pills. I said, my God, if I cough, people will think कि मेरे को कुछ हो गया करके. So it's so scary, the entire thing. So that's where oh, upcoming singer, no Bhakti, I'm not upcoming singer. But yeah, I have, this is my latest passion. Just for 6 months, I have been, like going to my classes. Now the classes have been stopped because of this lockdown. But this is something I never did in my life. Like all these years, though I come from, I mean, my entire family, they are into music. My in-laws side, they are all into music. But I have been always, like just like being like a श्रोता over there, कि कभी मैंने गाने की कोशिश नहीं की थी. And I'm not a singer, I'm not a good singer, but now I sing because it gives me happiness. अभी तो स्टार मेकर वगैरह कुछ कुछ चालू रहता है मेरा रात में, and you feel so good about it. अरे वाह, अपना ही आवाज खुद ही सुनो. You feel happy. I'm not bothered कोई सुनता है कोई नहीं सुनता है. So now bear with me. So this is my song especially dedicated to this time, and I'm sure this gives inspiration because it's a very beautiful song basically. I'm singing this for you. Okay, waiting for my song. Yes, Vrinda. Wait, don't worry. I'm all getting set, you know. मुश्किल है जीना, मुश्किल है जीना उम्मीद के बिना, थोड़े से सपने सजाए, थोड़ा सा रोमानी हो जाए, रास्ता अकेला हो, हर तरफ अंधेरा हो, रात भी हो घात की, दिन भी लुटेरा हो, यही तो है मौसम, यही तो है मौसम, आओ तुम और हम दर्द को बांसुरी बनाए, थोड़ा सा रोमानी हो जाए, थोड़ा सा रोमानी हो जाए. So be romantic, be happy, be weird. थोड़े उटपटांग चीजें करते रहिए जिंदगी में. Don't take जिंदगी इतना seriously. You are not in ICU. आईसीयू में जाते हैं तभी सीरियस होते हैं, तो अभी सीरियस होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जो कोई भी सिचुएशन आए, आई ऑलवेज लाइक टेल माई पेरेंट्स, आई सेड कि कम लेट्स वन exercise of smiling and laughing. When I say one, you have to smile. When I say two, you have to laugh. And I'll tell you कि not everybody can laugh today. तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ भाई अभी ट्यूशन क्लासेस जाया करो लाफ्टर के लिए. So please don't do that. You need कि जहाँ पे आपको ट्यूशन की जरूरत पड़े कि हंसने के लिए. Okay, now this song, especially my mother-in-law is also sitting in the other room and she's watching this. So this song is specially dedicated to her because she is super singer and she has been, like for all these years, she was after me, tu ga tera awaaz acha hai. And all these years I ignored. So Amma, this song is only for you. So anyways, I think if you have any questions, any doubts, any queries, you are please feel free to contact us anytime. We are there. And if you want anybody, like I can wait for 5 more minutes before we close this session of happiness. And I'm sure, please write to us what do you think about this session, whether it was useful. आपको क्या लगता है, आपके remarks please मुझे भेजिए so that we can think of an क्या लगता है. और हाँ, see, I have not spoken about anger management because anger is another very big topic. Because जब भी मैं बात करती हूँ लोगों से, I can proudly say that I have been interacting with all different types of people and like working with them very closely from different socio-economical background. So I can definitely talk about like anger is a biggest problem today. People don't have patience. They want everything so immediately. They don't want to take trouble today. And अगर अपने मन के खिलाफ कुछ हो जाता है तो immediately they get angry. And that anger is actually affecting our home environment. like जहाँ पे हम लोग happiness की बात करते हैं तो happiness and anger never go hand in hand. So anger management is another thing. But once you start following these practices जो मैंने आपको अभी बताई थे, you can maybe like watch my video once again because we will be posting this video on Parisarasha's Facebook page, and maybe like if it's possible my team can also post it on our YouTube video. So please try to follow these certain instructions and like certain ways, and I'm sure, because see, I get people coming back to me saying that yes, there is a change in their life. So this is the biggest satisfaction where we can actually touch upon like lives and spread happiness and not spreading virus. So stay at home, stay happy, stay safe, don't go out, don't venture out, and this is really really important. And anytime you want any kind of support in emotional help, we are always there. Our numbers are there flashed out. I'm there available. You can always email it to me. I'm counseling, I'm talking to people. So anytime you want to get in touch with with us, we are always there available 24 by 7. See, Parisar Asha ka shutter kabhi band nahi hota hai. And thanks to, in fact, this attitude of gratitude, may I would really want to say thank you, a big thank you to my Parisar Asha team. You deserve a round of clap, because every time, whenever I think some new things, like how we can work with the society, how we can, like reach out to people, how we can work on those loopholes in the system. First thing is, my team is always ready, like whether it's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Abhi aaj shaam ko, today we are on Saturday, we are officially off. Of course, everybody is like working from home today, but they are always there with me. So I love you, my team. I really love, and it's a biggest thank you to all of you. And also, very I would like to also thank my daughter, because she has been doing all these things. She has helped me to like create these flashcards. So thank you so much, and stay blessed.